For now, let us introduce how to operate the 100-ton coin hydraulic press. For now, we turn on the power. Emergency stop, switch out. Turn on the power. Come here, wait the PLC. Okay, just wait. He will be switched to the menu. For now, it is reset. Before press reset, you press motor start. Let's check the motor turning direction. It must follow these signs. Crosswise direction. Let's check the motor. Okay, it is right. For example, it is anti-lock way. When you turn on the machine, the motor is turning like this way. That's not right. Then we must check the power line. So change the line's direction. Change the line's direction. These 3 lines, you must change any 2 of them, and then make sure it is turning like clockwise. Okay. Now motor start and press some seconds. When the round cycle turn all the red, we can start the manual control. For now, it's press man and press the first one. User account is 39. Password also 39. Press OK. Okay, for now we can go into the menu. You can see the menu. So this one, it shows the pressure of the machine. For now it's 72. Okay, so when you change the pressure, we change here. For example, 250 is the full of the pressure is 100 ton. It will become 100 ton. So when you need the 50 ton, for example, it should be 125. Okay, it will be 50 ton. So when you change the pressure, you just change the pressure limit is bar. Okay, these 2 don't need to change. Already setting the position of the cylinder. This is the press time. For example, you keep pressure 0.5 seconds. Here is how many times you will be give pressure. For now, we set 1. If you want to pressure, you just change it 2 or 3 like that. For now, most use 1 time pressure will be enough. Okay, for now 1. So following, we introduce the panel. Menu. Let's press man here. The top set. So reset. We must select the menu way. Reset. Okay. So top, it means the injector in the center. If you turn off the injector, it is not working. Okay, we must turn it on. It will be working. And the reset is here. And the data storage. Oh, this one don't change. Input, no need to change. Operation. Okay, operation, this is the counting number. Okay, counting number. It will be how many press you have done. If you press counter reset, it will become to 0. Okay, so you just press menu. Others, you don't need to do any change. Just the cylinder set for your operation. Okay, so that's the whole process of the introduction. The panel. This one have manual way and auto way. For first, we must switch to manual way to check that all the control is right. The cylinder up, We press here. Let's see. Okay. 往后退一点，看整个。Sling up, it means will be go up. Sling down, it will become down. The inject up is in the center of the injector. Let's see. I press in. Okay, it's come out. Inject down, it will be here. 然后开这个，开整体要看两个一起开进去啊。Up, and down. Okay, sling up, and sling down. Okay, for now this is whole control of the panel and the manual. When we switch to auto, we press here, it will be automatic give pressure. We must use alcohol to clean the die surface to make sure no dirty on the die. So it is safety for die, also for better quality, for best quality on the surface. For now, we change it to manual mode to check the operation. Switch to manual and set this blanking inside and press cylinder up. Okay. Eject up. Good. Okay, the result is good. Whatever, we must clean the material more cleaner. But the finish already very good now. Okay, for now let's try the auto way. Okay, 拍整个到后面，拍侧面整个拍得到吗？看得到。Okay. So whole press. So you see the rings, the teeth of the edge of the coins already marked. It is setting the die. So check the result. Already very good now. Very good. Let us change the dice. Screws in, screws out. Okay, for now the up die already fixed. Let's fix the below die. This is the rings. We find the right size the rings of the die to fix in. Now this is have the size here. There's size here. We must match right direction. Two sides. One side. One side. We have two sides here. There's one also one side. This is below die. Setting. There's size here. Setting. Okay. Change already. So we set into the machine. Put this loose here. Okay, fix it. So for now, we already changed the dice. We set press this size. Okay, we check in. Before press, we must clean the dice with some alcohol. Okay, for now we already clean it. Okay, now we change pressure to 70 down and auto press it. Okay, come on. Take it out. Okay, good. It's 0.5 ounce the size. This is the result. We can see